Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick little review or post. Some people have been asking me where I get my hair at because obviously I didn't have it this long before, and that's really easy. I got my hair at DyHair777.com, and she is 22 inches long, and she's giving me full genie fantasy realness, and I am living for every bit of it. There's a little bit of a con. This unit did come with like a thinner consistency than I liked. It says I think it's only like 130% density because I have like a sorry about that, got caught up by Snapchat, but like I was saying, I have a 23.5 to 24 inch wig or size head, but it's interesting because, like, I mean, I have a big head, I have a lot of hair underneath, so that granted that could be very well much the case, whatever that came out to, but it's like I'm a little disappointed by the hair density. It says it comes in 130% density. To be honest, my head and full of hair, maybe there's like something off. I have a big head, but it's not enough to make me feel like it's my hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but okay, backstory. So I bought them from them before. This isn't like some obviously advertised giveaway, but I've bought them from them before. I did a review before I posted it. With that hair, it was like 3 or 4 bundles sewn into one. Like 3 or 4. And with that 3 to 4 bundles, it covered my head and gave me thick hair. I will say this closure is, she's kind of cute. It takes a little bit more work with her to get her fully blended in. She is popping out a little bit because I really didn't do much to her today. I just kind of threw her on as a cute little party cap and went on my way to my errands today. No one clocked it, so it was whatever. She does come originally as a 613, and I dyed her purple because I love purple, and so I wanted to get that full genie fantasy, and I got it. So yeah, when I did the large cap, so the cap size I believe is free. The length is the only thing that they charge you for, and so because I did 22 inches in this bundle, or in this unit, it came out to $200 and some change, which to me isn't that bad for blonde hair, especially the length. I enjoy it. The only thing I'm not enjoying about the hair is that it's thinner than I like, so to be honest, in my head, it feels like maybe it was like 2 or 3 bundles of hair, and at 3 or 4, maybe it's just because the blonde is thinner. I have no idea, but like I said, I enjoy this hair a lot, and I will definitely be repurchasing them from them again. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Hope you have a great day. Bye.